Hello and welcome to Animal Crossing's New Horizons. So, recently I just bought the new DLC and I thought, you know what? Let's do first ever reactions on the video because you know what? I might as well give it a shot. Am I right? Alright, let's dig in. So, clearly as when you see it, my island is actually not up to par at the moment. I haven't done a lot of details to it as to if people have ever seen other islands. I have done nothing with it. So I'm still getting a lot of ideas for me to do in that sort of sense. But yes. My phone's ringing. Okay. Oh, so we're jumping straight into it. Oh, already? Oh my god, okay. Teddy, you're here. It sounds like he's saying Teddy, but it's actually Tistiri. Oh god. Lottie, allow me to introduce you to Tiziri. Oh, hello, I'm Lottie. What is she? Is she... I don't even know what she is, but I love the little flower that she has. It's good old traditional Aussie, am I right? If you know what flower it is, leave in the comments if you actually know what it is. I'm gonna keep it a bit secret. I used to work with Mr. Nook a long time ago before this big island ventured as he started. Yes, she's quite talented. Lottie can handle anything from interior design and building layouts, and now she has her very own vacation home company. Oh, wow. Well, I don't have a very good teacher. Oh, dude. I don't have a very good teacher. Of course, Nook's just like, you know what? Yeah, that's right. Let's talk about me for a second. It's really coming along though. We just got our new office set up. We are really ready to start taking orders for custom vacation homes. Right now we need another team member, a go-getter with vision and insight. Well, I told Tom Nick what I was looking for and he said he knew exactly who to ask, and here we are. Oh, here I am. In other words, she needs your help, Tiziri. When she comes to me, you were the first one I thought of. Oh, thank you. I think I would actually be like, thank you. I was like Dodo in the background. It's just like, what's going on? Like, what? After all, you've done such a lovely job with your own home. Surely you could do the same for others. I mean, yeah. I'll leave it to you, and Molly, of course, my interests really, yes. Mr. Luke is quite a reference. If you want to join us, I won't say no. Close by, so commute would you be a breeze, and I offer a commute salary. What do you think? Are you interested? I'm not sure. I have a few things ready before you join our team, so I'll go ahead and see you there. Thank you, Lottie. Bye-bye. Enjoy your flight. Just casually run out the gates. As far as the flight, stand by whenever you're ready to put me body. Just tell the staff. Right, I want to go to work. Well then, take care. Bye, Nook. Have fun. Well, as you can clearly see, my outfit is not really up to par. Beautiful. Let's get started. And off we go. Oh, I always forget that I need to go around because of my little island. You got it. Go, get it, get it. Go on, Grizzly, you got it. Come on. Ah, no, okay, you gave up. Alright, no worries. Look at my good, look at my, ooh, touchdown! There I am! Ribbit. If you got time, do you want to do a treasure hunt with me? Sure, it's like, okay, let's do it. I love his acting. Oh, he's always just an acting where like, I'm ready to get pumped. Sorry, Hugh, I'm kind of on your right. Okay, how do I buried some treasure. If you find it within the time limit, you win. It's buried somewhere outside, so there's no need to muscle into a place, so let's do it. Oh god, okay, I need my... Okay, Present! There we go, I found the treasure in the good old campsite, yay! Okay, let me just bury this. Touchdown, let me just get rid of that. Gotta find touchdown. Oh, actually, Ribbit, he calls me touchdown, actually. Sure. Ah, that's, she's like, you right? You've got it. Huh? Rose square, can't rematch. Alright, let's see what the hat is. Oh my god, I love it. Alright, now I'm not gonna wear it though because it does not go with the outfit. Bye! Keep on doing your fitness. Let's go to work, guys. It's early in the morning. Well, actually, it's around lunchtime. But hey, you know what? We can start whenever. My good old Olivia, how you doing? Come in, you're working with Mrs. Lollipop. It's really exciting. We don't need to head over. I want to go to work. I mean, what do I need to pack? I've got my tools. Is that all I need? I mean, I don't really need anything in a sense. We're back! Ready to go! What will dodos do? Dodos. What does dodos do? Oh, is that like a new background? Kind of like it. Very nice, very nice. Okay, let's see what the island is going to be like. Oh, this is your first time flying these particular skies. There's a bunch of little islands scattered around out here. Real pretty, typical fruit for your eyes. Also the retro kind of typical fruit. Yep, I could see a bird landing on one of those islands and deciding to just stay grounded for a while. But aren't you a bird? Okay, not you there. Okay, Oh, sorry there. Just realized you're heading into work, aren't you, Jade? Well, oh my god! Well, in that case, take a look at the monitor in front of you, seat, and take it easy when we begin. Wait, do we actually get to look inside of the plane? Oh, no. Oh, okay, so they got different islands to, I guess, live in. So you got Sand Island, they've also got another Sand Island, what do you call that? Jungle Island. Oh, Snow Island. I mean, I love, the bears would love that. Oh, that looks so pretty. Imagine looking at the living in the cherry blossom. Just so exciting. Very exciting. Very, very exciting. Ooh, I'm getting pumped. Like, you know, let's design some houses. This is your captain. We're almost to our destination. Please prepare for landing. Turn your seats upright position and make yourself seatbelts, kid. Listen. See where we're gonna be landing. All right. Ooh. We landed. Yay! Thank you. You are adorable. Nico, hi, welcome. You must be newbie. That Lottie was talking about, right? That's right. I'm going to your island. Send you. I'm Nico. I work with Lottie. Everyone's ready for you. The office isn't far from the pillar, so let's get going. Oh my god, he looks adorable. Are you nervous? It's just... Alright. I really like the door. But she just left the door open. I thought usually we close the door. Whatever. It is what it is. Hello. I love this guy. He's so cute as well with the little hair. And welcome back to Unico. Thanks for leading the way. He's so adorable. Yes, he's already introduced himself. I'll just you to everyone formally now. Everyone, this is Chisiri. Oh, I'm in charge, so I'm the manager of custom vacation homes. Yay! You'll help turn out, won't you? Please say yes. Grateful. Great to have you. Just remember, I'm your guy if anything you need. These islands around here are kind of like my backyard, you know. Yeah, our Nico is an expert when it comes to all things local. He can take you straight to any islands you need. Very nice. Oh, you're too kind. I'm also trying to learn more about sales and homes construction, so ask me anything. Beautiful. Moldy. Yeah, Moldy. He's in charge of managing furniture, present moment, and related matters. They also sell furniture and so they're here in the office, so he's in charge of that part as well. Staff can make purchases too, so check out the products later. You might find something interesting. Very nice. Oh, hello. Oh, nothing else? Oh. Yeah, that's the whole team. I just know the four of us are going to do great things together. Go team. Yay, go team. Yay. So does that mean I get like a similar outfit? It's policy to wear a uniform when you're working. You'll find yours in a locker upstairs next to the mirror. You can use whatever you like in the staff room and clean that mirror and the cabinet up there as well. Alright, just call me when you're changing. Oh, it doesn't say anything else? Oh my god. What's this? Okay. I love the little snacks, cute. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, heading upstairs. Let's get changed and let's get pumped for this new job. Okay, so she said the lockers? Okay, so this is my locker, I take it? I guess so. This is my locker. Looks like my uniform is in there. Doesn't look like it. Oh, you look so professional and the fit is just right. Fantastic. Well, now that you got all your desk out, why am I getting an accent? I'll keep it. In the office group, let me just say, welcome Paradise Planning. Oh, did I forget to tell you about our names? We're Paradise Planning. It rolls out of the tongue, doesn't it? Our goal is to help our clients live out their dreams in vacation homes of their very own. So we have to get to know them on a personal level, deliver on their person. I gotta do the access. I know you'll be great to do it, Dizzy. Now, I think it's best to learn on the job, so I'll get you in straight away. I'm here to help you as much as possible, or as I can, but remember, I'm here. What I mean is, I can't leave the office. However, Nico will be joining you for the council consultation. Beautiful. Don't worry about a thing. I'll be right with you the whole time. You can even call me boss. I mean, if you want boss. Now all you need to do is find some clients. Oh, we already got one. Who's this one? As well, isn't this a darling little office? I've heard this is the place to be when one is looking for a vacant home tailored to their needs, yes? Indeed, we are taking orders if you could join me over here. Beautiful. So we are taking orders for our vacation home. Well, that was splendid timing. Now then, I've been visiting here many times, and this island always helps me feel relaxed. I suppose the atmosphere just suits me. Do you think of what I mean? In any case, I think it would be quite marvelous to have my own little getaway. The thing is, I haven't had the slightest idea about how to make such a thing happen. That's what we're here for. No worries at all. We'll do our best to make your dreams come true. Just tell your hopes and dreams to Tezir and they will get you started right away. Come on, let's have all our seat in our new meeting area. Now we can meet like the professionals. Ooh, exciting! We've got our first client. And the breeze is delightful here. What a wonderful spot to conduct business. I love it. So let's just get, shall I just go ahead and describe my vision? Yes, please. Yes, tell us about it. Paint us a picture. Do you have your thoughts? Okay, so I've got my little book here. I'm going to write down, just move my keyboard so I know what she wants. I can think of nothing else, and I'm very particular. I have some furniture I'd like to use no matter what. Okay. You see, my idea place is like. So my relaxing reading. Oh, okay, reading room. So she already has some. So she wants a reading room. Oh, okay. My relaxing room. Yes, that's a total wonderful theme. Our client has a dream. Please fulfill that. As for location, well, I have been my eyes on a particular island near here. It's the one that looks like. Oh yes, at that island. Well, then you need to head to the site to complete the next process step. I can wait to see if it works. Okie dokie. So I think they choose their islands of what? Oh, okay. And here we are. Watch your step. So that's going to be my vacation home. I'm so excited. Can we see what's inside look like? You bet. Come on, let's go. So it's probably just going to be like one big room like our main. Yeah. Oh my, what's in packages? I promise I haven't been shopping online yet. These are the furnitures you requested earlier. Talking about service, I only just made the request and my oldest is already here. Now I got some prep to do first, so I'll need you to hang on for just a minute or two. Okay, newbie, this is it, the show. The real deal, the big time. Obviously, the client orders show up ahead of time, take it out of the box A, and then it's your job to arrange it and, make it look nice. But before we get to work, let's just real quick go over how it works. First up, getting to decorator mode, the same as in our house. It makes designing rooms as you can check them available by pressing that little board. So pick some stuff that matches the criteria. Design until the design is done, then report to the client and the job is finished. Yeah, that covers it. Yeah, at least we're all set, so it's time to get to work. Wonderful, thank you so much. I'm excited to see that we've finished product delivery. Tizuru. I'll be around, so let me know if you run into any trouble. Now show us what you've got. Oh my god, I've got my little thing and everything. Oh my god, I love it. What is actually on there? Nothing. Very nice. All right. So I've got the wooden chair, the bookshelf, and that. Now let's just quickly put that there. Can you move out of the way or not? Let's start with the wallpaper. She's like nodding, like, I like it. Yes, I like it. Okay, I feel like some nice. Hold on. I think it went off. Yeah, is it working? Hello? Yes, hello? Okay. All right. So, simple blue. I feel like some brown. She is into yellow. Okay, what was she? Okay, so she, okay. Okay, let's put the bookcase there. Okay, add a lounge. She's like, oh, what? Okay, so add the lounge here. Add a nice case. I feel like she may want a nice. I feel like this could probably go here. Let's add a rug. And then get the little chair. I'm gonna get rid of that. And add the books. Add a lamp. And maybe a nice lamp as well. And she's like, what? What is all this stuff? Cream and sugar to add to that little cup of tea. Okay, let's look. Ooh, no. So I feel like we've kind of gone to like a whole different. Is there a way to change the color of the lounge, perhaps? Maybe like a cream. A nice cream would go with it. Oh, actually, let's look at the simple colors. Oh, very fancy. Striped. So many patterns, oh my god. You want pizza? That bookshelf doesn't go with it. Let's actually put some stereo, because I feel like she might want some music in there. Just put you sitting down for now. She's already reading. There's a red. Let's just add a toilet in there. See, I don't want to overcrowd it too much. Does she want a TV? Nah, she likes... Okay, now I gotta do some of the ceiling. Iron. Let's just like a photo of herself. Or then add that on top of the stereo. Maybe if we get... You can literally change her outfit? Oh my god, bless. Oh, she looks so cute. I feel like... Put that away. Could have... Can we go on the other wall? There we go. Nice picture frame. Maybe actually bring that down and put it there. I think I don't want to add anything else. Yeah, I think that looks pretty as it is. Okay, let's go into it then. I can't even. Okay, actually, let's go back because she can't even get out. Actually. And then, quickly, add some pillows. There we go. It's ready. Good. I just got a lollipop. Oh, cute. I'm glad that I asked you to do this. Thank you so much. It's marvelous. Yay! I wanted to know about your great work. Yeah, I did it. Took some time, but yeah, I did it. Welcome back. So how did you do your first client? Tell me everything. It went perfectly. That's wonderful. That was still, I'm super impressed how professionally handled it. That's so great. The more happy clients we get, the more business we grow. I think the sky's the limit, and I'm so glad you've joined our team. And thanks for your help, Nico. Our newcomer is in your hands. Just doing my job, but thank you for so much for noticing. Alright, I should head back to the pool now. I'm very excited to get you started with our new client. Hope you're ready for more. Oh, look at him run. I love it. I want him on my eyelids. He looks so cheap. I love it. Hey, this is for you. Oh, money. Pokey. There's another important detail I have mentioned. In this region, we use Pokey instead of bells as our current currency. You won't be able to spend Pokey back at home. at home, Zarison, nor can you spend bells here. You may not have a lot of sale here right now, but I'm sure you'll find a way for things you like. Very nice. Anyways, thank you again for your work so far. Come see me when you're ready for another jump. Alrighty, well, bye-bye, folks. Oh, I love her wave. Well, I mean, I feel like that will do for now. So I'll shall end the video here, and we should continue in the next video. If you guys would like to see more of thrilling me designing some new houses for these lovely villagers wanting a vacation home. So as for now, I shall see you later in the next video. Bye!